Morning everybody, welcome back to Trinity Dairy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And go over to Muffler Delete 101 on YouTube. Check out Brian over there. He's got a great channel going on. He's trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so he's got a pretty cool giveaway going when he hits 1,000. He's giving away, he's got a chainsaw or $100 cash, so that you can't lose there. And some great content. He messes with chainsaws, lawnmowers. He's got some old Cub Cadets, some old McCullough chainsaws. Just watched a video of his the other day. He's got a, I believe it's a 1928 Farmall regular. He got that going. You never know what he's going to be working on. He's got some older videos there. He rebuilt carb and put an electronic ignition, rebuilt a distributor for me for that 560. I know he's got a couple of carb rebuilds coming up, I think for a VAC case and a John Deere. I can't remember what on a John Deere, but anyway, so yeah, get over there and check him out. That's Muffler Delete 101. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, so today what we're going to be doing, it is Monday, June, I believe it's 14th. Yep, about 8:30 in the morning. I think it's about 60 degrees out right now. It's been hot here. We're getting dry too. The lawn is pretty much all brown now. But anyway, I got the sprayer hooked up here to the little John Deere. We're gonna go spray some weeds in the corn. All right, I was just gonna stop up here, cornfield. There's one hayfield we baled that we started square baling on there. And then the corn, and I sprayed this. I'd have to look back, I don't remember the day, but I had enough to do 20 acres here. Not quite this whole corn piece, but it looks like it's really killing nice. Actually, the corn, I'm really surprised, considering we haven't had the rain, how nice this corn actually looks yet. I was worried, as hot as it was, especially that day when I sprayed, that we were going to have issues with it burning the corn. I know last year it did. It came back, but so anyway, it's looking pretty good. So I've got a little strip over there yet, and then I got them small fields in the back. So that's what I'm going to spray now. Might as well kill them weeds so they're not drinking the water. And what we're spraying is Halex GT. It's Roundup and a couple of other, or glyphosate I should say, and a couple of other chemicals for some residual control. And then I'm using Transport Ultra. It's an ammonium sulfate replacement, and then it's got a surfactant in there. Just kind of helps the chemical work better and kill better. So that's what we're spraying here. So I'm going to go get that done before this wind gets too crazy. And then we got some hay. I've got some land down the road I kind of do on shares with another guy, and he cut that last couple days, one piece. So we're going to go over. I got the New Holland Round Baler going pretty much yesterday or day before. I got the cylinder on there that I had off, so I'm going to bring the V Rake over there and stuff and see if we can get baling there today too. So anyway, we'll go unload this and keep moving. I finished spraying the corn. I ran a little bit short, so I got to pick up a little more to finish. But we came over here to this hayfield here. This was actually new seeding last year. Clover, alfalfa, kind of a mix, some orchard grass. But right after we planted it, the seeding came up a little bit, and then it got really dry, and I think most of it died out. There is some out here, but it needs some rain. This is pretty dry. But anyway, so basically what's out here is grass. Some places are kind of thin. It's pretty thin right here where I'm at. Some places where it was shaded or lower is a little heavier. I kind of farm this with another guy, so we kind of do this on shares. He was out here. I brought the haybine over the other day, and he had his tractor here, so he was cutting. I think he's not out here right now. His tractor over there in the haybine, he's got some of that left. He'll probably finish cutting that tonight. But I'm gonna get started raking here, and some of this that he cut, I think day before, Saturday, and some of it cut yesterday, will definitely be ready today. So got the V Rake here. I got it on the kids call that the orange cab case, just an 830 case. The reason I got that instead of the John Deere, this is a few miles from home, so this tractor is a lot faster on the road. And then also I got the bale spear on it, so once we get this baled, I got a tractor here to load it. So otherwise it's definitely more power than I need on this rake. But so anyway, I got my co-pilot ready, and we'll get started raking. Here with the baler now. I got it's a New Holland 853. Yeah, it is dirty. I don't typically pressure wash this because I could probably do the back and stuff, but there's been some baler fires because pressure washing the bearings. So it's been like this for its whole life, so I guess it's not going to hurt it anymore. But anyway, we got it hooked up here. I got it on the 1066. We're gonna go see if we can make some bales. I noticed I just put a fresh battery in here, but it must not have been charging because it's only at like 26%. So I don't know how much I'll get, but we'll give it a try. And I do have the 1066, got the duals on it yet. I'll probably get some comments about that, but we usually don't take them off this tractor just because mainly this gets used for tillage. So and then also I like having them on there because this has got the long rear axles, so that way I can tell where my axles are at, so I don't put it through the side of my pickup or something. So anyway, let's get rolling. It's Thursday, June 17th today. Beautiful day out. We are getting dry, but there's a pretty good chance of rain Sunday, so we've been praying for that. But anyway, while the weather's nice, we're making hay. I sprayed a little more corn this morning, or started to, but it got too windy. So anyway, that last ground we were baling on, we got done over there. Then we moved over to a friend of ours that was helping me there. We're doing it on shares. We're over at his place now. I'm just raking. He cut this one bigger field last night, or last couple days. So I brought the V Rake over today. I got his tractor on the rake. I left that 830 case over the other place so we can load bales with it yet. But actually, the hay turned out pretty nice here. This was new seeding, I think last year was the first cutting on it as new seeding, so I think this is the second year of it, if I remember right. But anyway, I made one round here. It looks pretty good, so it's nice and dry. So we'll take you around for a little bit of raking. Got a nice little tractor here, Case International front wheel assist, 385, little diesel. Got a loader on it, and just got our old rake there, so we'll buzz around a little and do some raking. Okay, well, I got the outside rounds raked. Other than the very outside, I got to bale a little bit off so I can stay away from the fence. But then I got the strips left going back and forth up over there. Some of that I won't be able to bale till tomorrow because he just cut that, I think last night or maybe even this morning. But there's a few on this end and a few on the other end that are dry. But I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat and then come back with the baler, and I'll bale these outside rounds off. Then I can just rake right out the end. I don't have to lift the rake up and get them little tails that stick out there. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do now. Go get a bite to eat and grab that baler and head on over. I got that piece finished up. We got, well, there's some more fields. There's some small fields in the back, but we don't even have those cut yet. We're gonna wait because they're talking, supposed to be a good chance of some rain coming Sunday. So Joe here, the guy that's helping me, he's gonna be gone for a few days. So we're gonna get this, I'll finish this up tomorrow. This possibly be ready now, but it's supposed to be nice tomorrow, so we'll just wait. There isn't too much left there. So anyway, we're gonna have Paul give me a ride back to my pickup and go do chores. I need to have Jen give me a haircut too. This is getting hot. It is Friday, June 18th today. It's a beautiful day out. About 80 degrees, sunny, wind blowing, good hay drying weather, but we do need rain. I think most of the country is probably in that boat. I sprayed my grandpa's corn this morning, and he's got some corn that looks pretty nice, but there's some spots that are just a little shriveled up, little stick there. So it needs rain. We're supposed to get, I think Sunday they're talking a pretty good chance of, I've heard anywhere from half to an inch. So that would be nice. We're definitely praying for that. But anyway, I'm out here again. Gonna finish baling. I just finished raking the rest of this. So I'll get the, excuse me, get the baler fired up here and see if we can get this finished up. Everybody, it is Saturday, June 19th. We're just finishing up. Paul's hauling off the last load of hay off of this field here. He's bringing that home. This is some of that rented ground away from home here. And then I got some fertilizer. We are going to spread that on now. I'm actually just about done here with the fertilizer. I got the rest done. I went and got the spreader while he hauled the last load of hay, or the previous load of hay home. So I'm gonna finish covering this, and then I'm gonna run home with the spreader. I've got some fertilizer left at home. I think I'm going to put in here and hit some fields at home. They're talking a 90 to 100% chance of rain tomorrow. And I think they're half to possibly an inch I've heard. So we're praying for that. So that's why I'm putting this on.